Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Open Instagram and make sure you're on the home screen. This speeds the process. Once done, tap the magnifying glass to access search because audio discovery lives in Reels and Explore. If you already know a lyric or creator, type it into the search bar now. Otherwise, tap Reels to browse trending clips. Make sure your app is updated and you're logged in. Older versions hide some audio features. Now proceed to narrow results with keywords or filters so you can locate the audio quickly. Type precise keywords, lyrics, creator handle, or distinctive words, then switch to the Reels tab to see audio-driven results. Tap a reel that uses the sound, and then tap the audio label near the bottom. This opens the audio page, which aggregates all reels using that clip. From there, press Save to add it to saved audio, or select Use Audio to start recording with the same sound. This central audio page is how Instagram organizes clips, so use it to verify the original source and variation. If you can't find the audio, check your Saved Audio tab and the creator's profile audio highlights. Sometimes sounds are linked only in their uploads. Once you've exhausted internal search, refresh the Explore page, log out and back in, or reinstall the app. Clearing cache can surface removed features. If the clip still doesn't appear, try searching lyrics on a search engine or use an audio recognition app as a fallback. Finally, report missing audio to Instagram if you suspect a policy removal, so they can review it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.